Hi, everybody.
Hi, do you let me help?
We're under the car.
I was a crucial member in this team.
So we're replacing the oil sensor thing. I don't care what it's called right now. This is the worst. Like, it's put into place that only a person with tiny hands can get to.
I don't have tiny hands.
I know, but in comparison to my hands, they're smaller. So, I don't even know what to say. I had to take the compressor off. That was fine. It kind of sucked. But I did it. And I had to untension the belt to get that off. So I did those. And then you get to the plug, and it's got this stupid little red clip on it that, like, you can't take the plug off unless you get the clip. So I'm pretty sure I broke that, but that's okay because I think it's just like, I don't know, dummy proof or something to keep the average person from getting it off. So then I try to get my hand up in there to get the plug off, and I can't. And then along comes Leah, and she's amazing.
Well, you told me I was going to have to do it because I think it's pretty glamorous, and you just do things by the time I get home, and I do have to work. So
The thing about it is I have no idea what I'm doing.
well, I don't know what I'm doing either, but I wanted to try.
I just have faith that it's going to work out.
I watched the same YouTube video. I could have done it without.
Yeah.
But you made some pretty awesome faces when I got here, and you were trying so hard.
So you got the plug off, and then I bought the stupid socket that I don't want to own, but you can't borrow it from the auto parts store.
You spent $6.
I know I spent $6 on it, but now I'm pissed off because I own it. I don't want to own it. I don't want to own tools that are for one purpose only.
We can make a sculpture with it.
No way. What if I need to do another oil sensor?
Oh, true.
So I actually pretty easily got the oil sensor out, but then it's like you do that by feel. You can't see because once you put your hand up in there, you can't see anything. Well, then you got to put your hand back up in there with the new sensor that screws into this tiny hole that you have to find with your finger, and then thread it, get it started. And I know that I made the most amazing face when I got it started because it took me 5 minutes to get it started. And then I was like, oh, yeah. Then I got it in, but then I couldn't get my hand in to get the damn plug back on. So then Leah came and saved the day again. Got the plug on. So that's
in the back.
That's where we're at right now. She was vacuuming out
and swearing
all the rust.
Because I keep smashing my hand in the same spot.
Well, you know what happens if you grind or cut metal and just leave it? The shavings, they rust.
Yeah, and then it rains, and then it makes it worse, and that's what's happened back there.
Yeah, we'll just paint over it with bed liner or something. It'll be amazing.
But I have to clean it.
Anyway, I'm trying to get this done before it gets dark. I posted on our Facebook group that means it was successful if I get to return the belt tensioner before they close. So I'm going to get going so I can put the damn compressor back on and put the damn belt back on. And then
I'll rotate the tires while you do
it. Oh, yeah. Leah's going to rotate the tires because one of them in the front is pretty worn on the inside. And I feel like it would have a better home on the back.
Okay, bye.
See ya. Cruise Ninja. Hiya!
You're a bandit now. Bandit.
Bandito.
Hi.
Hi. We got the sensor in. It was teamwork. We're driving in the Excalibur right now. We went to the auto parts store to return the part that I had to borrow, the tool, because I said if I did that, it would mean it was successful. Leah was a big help.
Well, you were supposed to wait, but you told me if I think it's so glamorous, I should do it.
Yeah.
So I was.
Well, and we did it. It was teamwork.
Yeah. Well, you had started it. You did a lot of the hard parts, so thank you.
I really hated it.
I couldn't tell.
You needed tiny hands to get the sensor.
I don't have tiny hands.
Well,
but
smaller than my hands.
Okay.
I don't have giant size hands. So you need smaller than average size hands. Leah size hands. So we went to the auto parts store and there was a check engine light on that I had checked the codes a while ago. And I had him clear them and then he immediately came back. So we're just gonna put a piece of tape over that. Right?
Well, can I use tape on other things too?
Yeah, I brought you some home today.
Perfect.
Duct tape.
Tomorrow
It's clear.
I'll be
Clear duct tape. I've never seen it before. It's super rare.
I'm gonna tape up this car while you're busy working. You're gonna not even know.
I'm not even gonna know because it's invisible duct tape.
Perfect. Okay, can I stop holding this phone now?
I suppose.
Okay, bye.
Thanks. Bye.